Welcome to the new video on polynomial. In this we will learn multiplication of polynomials. So let's begin. Now like and unlike terms. So we have got when the terms are like terms, they will have same or different coefficient but same variables. For example, 4x cube and 1x cube. The coefficient of both the terms are different, 4 and 1. But you will see variable is same, x cube and x cube. So they are called as like terms. One more example. Minus 4x cube y and 1x cube y. X cube y and x cube y of both the terms are same. So they are called as like terms. Let us see about unlike terms. Here you may have coefficients same or different, but variable part will sure be different. For example, 4x cube comma 1x square. If you see square and cube, they are different. Similarly, we have minus 4x cube y and 1x square y. They are all different terms. Clear? Now multiplication and division of like or unlike terms. Here I would like to tell you that multiplication and division, your indices laws are applicable. So let us see about the like terms. Whenever you multiply the like terms, the index of the variable get added. See here, coefficient get multiplied and the variable's index get added. So your answer will become 4x raised to 6. One more example, minus 4x cube y into minus 1x cube y. Minus 4 into minus 1 will come and x cube the two places it is. So the index will get added because there is a multiple sign, and y's index also will get added. So what you will get answer? You will get minus 4 into minus 1 will become plus 4. X raised to 6 it will become, and y square. I hope it made you clear. Similarly, unlike terms also if you will see it. See here the terms variables are different. But in multiplication again the rule applies. Coefficient get multiplied since there is a multiplication side and the base are same. So the index get added just like indices law. One more example. Minus 4x cube y into minus 1x square y. See the coefficient got added and the variables index got added here. Though they have different index and but they have a multiple sign between them, so the index get added. So you get answer as plus 4 x raised to 5 y square. Clear? So there is a rule. Two or more like or unlike terms are multiplied with their coefficient and by indices law are applicable for variable. So you can see if there is a multiple sign, we add them. Now we'll see multiplication of the two or more polynomials. So we have 5m raised to 4 minus 3m cube plus 2m square plus 3m minus 6 and qm equals to minus 7m raised to 4 plus root 2. So we got here 5m raised to 4, we are multiplying with the multiple sign. Now as we have done in the 7th standard, the smaller bracket we have opened and one term we took and multiplied to the blue full term. You can see as it is stated in the term. Now opening of the bracket, when I opened the bracket, since it was big, so I have reduced the size, but I had multiplied it all the terms. Now I simplified them and then I got the final answer. Here you should not forget to write the degree of the polynomial, which I have not written in this in your notebook, and the coefficient of the polynomial. Once again, do not forget to write down in the indices form if any term is missing, and then it will become easy for you to write down in a coefficient form. I hope you have understood the concept very clearly. My advice is to do not watch just for the sake of watching it. Watch it and hear the audio properly so that the audio will help you to understand where you have to do. Also, you can pause it in the middle, understand, and then go ahead. Then it will benefit to you and you will understand the concept very well. Thank you for watching the video. Hope you have liked it. Please do not forget to share and subscribe it, and also share with your friends so that they can get the benefit of it. Thank you. See you with the next video.